You're asking the same question, that why human beings seeking peace, happiness, love, and wisdom? Do you want to know that they should seek and you force them to seek stress, suffering, anxiety, duality, conflict? No. But why it is so? Because we are made up of the nature of peace and happiness. That is why I'm searching everywhere. I'm searching peace and happiness in a honey, in a car, in a home, in a clothes, in everything. We are overflown by that peace and happiness. Find it. That is the goal of meditation. Why I am suffering? Buddha said all tears of the entire human race, if accumulated, would be greater than all the oceans and the water together. But why he said this? Because we live in ignorance, and that is why we claim I am suffering. You remove the ignorance and you realize that we are not made to suffer. We are made to manifest that peace and happiness. Work on it, know it, understand it, work on it, experience it, and change your life. Does Eastern wisdom, you said, breaks the cycle of the suffering? How? It breaks the cycle of the suffering through the knowledge and understanding that there is no suffering. Is there a water in the mirage? Is there a blueness in the sky? Do you see, or where are you sitting? You are sitting on the earth. Don't you see the earth is stationary? Is the earth really stationary? Through knowledge, I understand it is not. Suffering is not.